here we've got one of our 8x5 tipping trailers that a customer has added a ramp to the back. So I've got a big fold down ramp. We've got some pins here. So it can either be used like that, where the front's fixed at the moment, but we can also tip it. So we undo the middle latch and undo the pins at the side. So it's lifted at the front, and then at the back, very easy to drive up onto. There you have it. And that's the 8x5 with a loading ramp at the back.